everyone. In this part, we are going to take it a step further. We will publish that website and learn how to manage and track its performance using the OfficeIQ Studio's dashboard. So, go to the dashboard. Here you will see a button that says Let's Keep Building. Click on this. This brings you back to where you left off while creating your website. From here, you can preview your site and see how it looks on laptop, tablet and mobile screens all in one place. Here is the Live Now button. It will turn green once your website is published. Here, you will see the different versions of your website. Every time you make a change, a new version is saved automatically. You can publish any version you like. From here, you can edit the site name also. So I'll name it Modern Learning Institute. Now your site is ready to publish. Click on the Publish button. Then click on Publish Now. Next, choose your domain. You can either use your own domain or go with an OfficeIQ subdomain. For now, I'll go with the OfficeIQ subdomain. Just click on Create Subdomain. And that's it. Your site is now deploying and it will go live in just a few minutes. Once it's live, you will see that the Live Now button turns green. Now go back to home. Here you will see the URL of your website. Click on it and you will land on your published website. Now again go back to the home page. From here you can monitor your website's performance. You will start seeing numbers here as people begin visiting your site. Here is the overview section. You can see all the basic site information like the site name, domain, version and so on. Then you have the domain settings. It shows your current domain and from here you can even set up a new domain. Then next is the custom code section. If you want to add any custom code to the header, body or footer section of your website, just add it from here and click on Save Changes. Then we have analytics. It tracks how many people visited your site and what actions they took. So this helps you understand your audience better. Next is UI performance. So just click on Run Your First Test to get a UI score. So it will show you how your design performs and also it will highlight any issues to fix. And then we have the SEO score. Run your first SEO test here. So it will give you a full score along with details like content quality, keyword optimization, and also it will suggest some recommendations to boost your SEO. In the next video, we will learn how to convert a single page website into a multi-page website.